Yo, what's going on, guys? Gavin or Born Hype here, coming at you guys with another video. Today we got a unboxing, and I'm kind of nervous because this is the Supreme Moka Express thing, and I mean it's quite small. So I'm already kind of disappointed. I feel like this is gonna just be like a $75 miniature Curie here. But Supreme started using tamper-evident tape, which is good. People are probably getting their packages stolen. Okay. Yeah, this is embarrassing. What I get for stickers? Oh, I got a sticker pack. Oh, I got the Buju Banton sticker. Sweet. I really have no words for this. First of all, it's opened. That's good. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. You ready for this? Supreme. This is why no one buys accessories anymore. Okay, here it is. Here's my hand in comparison. Here's my, I don't really... Here's my iPhone. My knife is bigger than this. Actually, no, it's not. Ah, yeah, it is. It literally is. This is very depressing. I'm upset at this. So it says Bialetti Supreme Italian Coffee. Perfect for the preparation of real Italian coffee. This exclusive patented Bialetti safety value, easy to check and clean. Okay, Moka Express. I'm confused here. So I don't really know how this. Oh, you put this on the stove? What the Okay. So ready? You fill it up with water here. Here, I'll put it there. You fill it up with water, right? You put in some coffee grounds, and then you put it on the stove. And then you pour the coffee out. Who would put this on the stove? If I burned Supreme off of it, I'd be pissed. Anyways, the box has a fucking cut too. Damn, I'm really disappointed in this. Yeah. The Italian coffee excellence in 1933, Alfonso Bialetti, with his invention of the Moka Express, transformed the art of preparing coffee into an exclusive Italian ritual with the scent at home. Okay. I guess I'm going to open it since it was already opened. Oh, that's why there's a cut. This is the smallest coffee maker I've ever seen in my life. I mean, I can't lie though, it's kind of nice. It's like made nice, I guess. There we go. The Bialetti Supreme coffee maker. I'm very disappointed in this. this is the reason why I haven't copped Supreme in so long. Because this shit. Okay, well, I might raffle this off, so yeah. Alright guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. And are as depressed as I am, because that's really depressing. Yeah, hopefully you did enjoy. If you did, make sure you guys leave a like down below. Subscribe if you're new. And let me know how you guys would feel in the comments if I started streaming like Xbox and shit like that, like Black Ops 4, Brawlhalla, Rocket League, like all the usual games I play. Maybe some CS in there as well, Fortnite, that type of stuff. If you guys were interested in that, comment down below, or if you guys would like to see some like videos maybe once a week or something on video games, because I know last week, even though I didn't really make a video, there wasn't really much that happened. So with shoes and like stuff like that, there's some weeks where there's absolutely nothing, and then I could fill it with some video games, like, you know. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy. This has been Gavin or Born Hype, and I'm out. Peace.